Today, I want to talk to you about what you do if your garage door will not open. Hi Nashville, my name is Dan Watkins. I'm owner of All Four Seasons Garage Doors. And today I want to talk to you about what you do if your garage door will not open. Okay, the first thing you want to do is release your emergency release cord, which is the red cord hanging from the garage door opener. Okay, if you release that and you try to lift your door up and it does not lift up, most likely means you have a broken spring in most situations. If it does lift up by hand, that means you have a garage door opener problem. So let's start with the broken spring. This is the most common thing to break in your garage door. It's just like brake pads on a car. When one goes, the other one's not far behind as far as the springs go because there's two of them. And it also needs maintenance just like a car. And those springs over time, they're gonna break down. So when that happens, sometimes you'll hit the button on your opener. It'll raise up about 4 inches and go back down, or it'll stay in place. That's a sure sign you have a broken garage door spring. You can look above the door. You'll see a break in between the spring. We want to replace both springs in that situation. You want to call out a professional to get this fixed. You don't want to handle this on your own. That door will be incredibly heavy to try to lift this up on your own. And if you try to use your motor during the process of lifting this up, you might burn your motor out as well. So that happens. You want to make sure you call us. We can be out within 24 hours. We can get your car out of the garage. We know it's a spring. We're going to get out there within hours. Almost in any situation, we've got the technicians to do it, and we'll come out and solve your problem for you. If it is the opener that is broken, it could be several different things. It could be your gears finally have stripped and they're gone. If you have a Genie, it could be the Genie carriage assembly could be stripped. But whatever it is, it's usually just one part in that garage door opener. You can either make a decision if you got a fairly new opener to repair it, or you can replace it if you got an older unit. My rule of thumb is if it's about 15 years old, that's 12 or 15 years old. If it's not that old, maybe you lean towards repairing it. If it's that age or more, then you probably want to just replace that opener. But no matter what it is, Nashville, make sure you give All Four Seasons Garage Doors a call and we'll take care of it for you.